For your homework, it's really important that you understand the concepts behind the calculations that you're doing. So the reason why for the speed reading question, for example, we are trying to establish whether or not there's a true difference in the scores from before the speed reading course until after the speed reading course. So essentially, we want to know if our distribution looks something like this, where we want to know if the difference between the test scores is greater than 0, or if that difference is much greater than 0. So when we're calculating this, we need to consider our confidence level of 95%, and we need to do some calculations in order to figure out if like on the scenario on the left, yes, for this sample, the average was greater than 0, but given the sample size, can we extrapolate that information about the sample and apply it to the population, and at what confidence level, can we do that? So let's say, for example, that we did the calculations and we said that the average score improved by 4. Well, 4 is greater than 0. However, at the 95% confidence interval, we might have plus or minus 5. In that case, the average score improvement is anywhere from -1 to 9. And you'll see that our confidence interval includes 0. And because it includes 0, we cannot extrapolate the sample size from that sample size information about our scores and apply it to a broader population. However, if we get something more like 9 plus or minus 3, then our sample scores improved anywhere at the 95% confidence level from between 6 and 12. And that confidence interval does not include 0. So if that's the results of our calculations, then we can say with 95% confidence, yes, the scores did improve because our confidence intervals do not include 0.